Good morning to all. I am Pachemal from GK Jain School. Today I am going to teach the two pods from 3rd standard. Children, we are going to see one story. There's two pods, about the two pods. Children, have you seen the river? Have you seen the river? Okay, tell about your experience about the river. Okay, children, in this story we are going to see about the two pots. First one is mud and brass. It is mud, it is brass. Okay, they were friends. There are two pots, mud and brass. Mud and brass go to the river to play. Mud and brass go to river to play. Brass said, I will swim in the river, but you cannot. But you cannot. Who said this word? Brass. But mud said, why? It is asking to the brass. Brass said, if you hit the rock, you will break, because it is made with the clay. Here, have you all seen the pot, my clay pot? It will be break, because it is very soft. But brass is not break. It is not able to break with the rock. So it is telling, if you hit the rock, you will break. Why brass is not break, ma? It is not break because it is made up of metal. So it will be very strong. So it is not break with the hit the rock. But mud is break because it is made with the clay. That is one type of sand. So it will be break. So when it hit the rock, it will break mud. But brass will not break the rock. Okay, children. Now come to the story. It is, and they were going to the river to play. Okay. Mud said, let me try. But mud said, let me try. Mud and brass taught to swim in the river. What do you mean the swim, ma? Can you swim the river? Yeah, you are too small to swim the river. But now mud and brass taught to swim in the river. Swim in the river. Brass said, let us swim deeper. Brass said, let us swim deeper. What is a deeper, ma? It is deeper in the river. Okay, so let us swim deeper, brass said. Mud said, no, let us go back to the river bank. No, let us go back to the river bank. No, I am not coming to the I am not coming to the, let's go back. Okay, then say mud said mud went back to the river bank. So mud went back to the river bank, but brass went on. But brass didn't go back. It is went on, went to the deeper in the river. So see this picture. See this picture, children. They are swimming in the river, but mud went back the river. Children, see this picture. Mud went back the river bank, but brass will not be able to. See this picture, children. Mud is standing in the river bank, but brass didn't go to the river bank. She went to the deep of the river. So the river was deep, and brass was not able to swim. See, sink in the water. See, it is sink in the water. See this picture, ma? It is sinking in the water. So it is telling, help, said brass. Help, said brass. Next, the mud is using a stick from the river bank to help the brass. See this picture, ma? Mud is holding one stick and help the brass to come back the river bank. After that, mud and brass do not play in the river. They only play by the river. After that, mud and brass do not play in the river. They only play by the river. Children, now the brass is understood its mistakes, because when it's going to the deeper in the river, it is sinking in the water. So it is now understood its mistakes. So they are decided to play by the river. They are not going to play in the river. So children, what do you learn from this story? If you are going to the river, if you are going to the beach with your parents, you should not go to the river, inside of the river. You should not go to the inside of the river to play. You should play outside the river or sea. Okay, children, you should not go inside of the water to play. You should play outside of the water. Do you understand? Okay, let's come to the book bag exercise. See this? Circle the correct word. Circle the correct word. What picture is this? See this picture. First one. What picture is this? This is a river or sea, ma? Yeah, it is a river. What picture is this? River. First one is correct. R-I-V-E-R, river. See this second one picture. What is this? This is a tape or stick. This is a tape or stick, ma? Yeah, in this story we are already seen this stick, no? This is a stick. What is this? Stick. S-T-I-C-K, stick. Circle this word, stick. See this next one. What is this? This is a pot or top. This is a pot. This is a pot. What is this? Pot. P-O-T. Pot. Circle first one here. Okay. Next. Tick yes or no. Tick yes or no. First one. There are, in this story, there are two parts. Yes or no, ma? Yeah, there are two parts. It is correct one. So, yes. You should tick yes. Okay, first one. Second one, they play in a park. The pots are playing in the park. No, it is play in the river. So, it is wrong. So, you take the answer no. N-O, no. Okay. Third one. The mud pot saves the brass pot. The mud pot saves the brass pot. Is it correct? Yeah, it is correct. So, you tick yes. First one is yes. So, see this? There are two pots. Yes. They play in the park. No. The mud pot saves the brass pot. Yes. See this? Arrange the story in the correct order using numbers from 1 to 3. See this picture, ma? 1, 2, 3 pictures are there. You should arrange this picture in order. Okay? Which picture will come first? This is first one. There are two pots are standing near the river. Okay? This is first one. You put one here in this box. Okay. Second one, see this picture. The mud is standing in the river bank, but the brass is sinking the waters. This is the second one in this story. You put two here in this box. Come to this picture. This is the third one. This is the third one. At the end of the story, the pot helping the brass to come back the river bank. So this is the